Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, myself Anjali. So today I'm going to talk about how you can transform your 2025 completely with just these 5 habits. Like they are just amazing. So you can just include these habits in your day-to-day life and you can transform your 2025 completely. So 2025 is just around the corner and I'm telling you guys, this 5 habits has changed my life completely. So I changed my life in 2024 completely with just this 5 habits. And you have to be consistent. It's just not like you're watching my videos and then not doing what I have said. It will not going to help you any way. So you have to be consistent. Do all of these things daily for 365 days to achieve what you want to. This will going to change your life for real. So let's get started. So the first one is waking up early. So try to understand that waking up early is really something you want to do because nowadays Gen Z generation are so obsessed with sleeping late and waking up early. This is not a cool thing. Okay, it's ruining your health, ruining your mental health, everything. You think that it's a cool, but it's not. And you need to understand that if you will wake up early, you will get the time for yourself, time things you want to do. So you will get a lot of time you want. We always complain that we don't have time. But the thing is, we have a lot of time. If you will wake up early, like even if you will wake up at 5, you have the time to do everything you want to till 7. If you will wake up late, everything will be late. So you will not get the time to do the things you really want. So don't just scroll your phone the whole night. Instead of that, switch it with a book and sleep early. First thing you have to do is wake up early in the morning and sleep early at night as well. If you will not sleep early, how you will wake up early in the morning? So first thing you have to do is wake up early in the morning. Then next, meditation. After waking up early, don't scroll your phone. So if instead of that, meditate. Okay, even meditation for 5 minutes will complete your life, completely change your life. If you can start meditating for 5 minutes, like meditate for 5 minutes a whole week, then switch it with 10 minutes. Then next week, 15 minutes, then 20 minutes. So you can improve, you can do like this. Don't just start with 30 minutes meditation. Don't do this. This is going to burn out. So first thing you have to do is you have to do 5 minutes ka meditation. I will share the links if you want of all the meditations. So second thing you have to do is meditation. It will help you to be productive the whole day, and it will help you to avoid wasting time. So meditation is a really good tool to improve your whole day or whole year. Then you have to do journaling. You have to you have to reflect your thoughts, what you're thinking, you should know. So what you have to do is maintain a diary and you have to do journaling on daily basis. You have to write everything happens, not everything, like you have to write every unnecessary thoughts coming into your mind. It will help you to be more calm and more productive. Sometimes what we do, we waste our time in overthinking about the future. If we will do this, what will happen, and like that. We also waste our time in thinking about past. Listen to this. Past has gone, and future is going to come. You have to be in present moment. Try to think about how you can change your day by improving your present days. So don't think about future, neither past. Be in present. So now you have to control your mind by journaling to improve your whole year. So the third thing you have to do is journaling. Then reading books. I know this sounds little stupid, but reading books will definitely going to help you a lot. It will help you to increase your knowledge, communication skills, and confidence. What happened? We should have the knowledge about things we are not. Like if you are a student of biology, if you should have the knowledge of uh, commerce or psychology, everything, you should have the knowledge. So you should read books. It will help you a lot. Reading books has a lot of benefits. I'm telling this a lot of time, and it genuinely has a lot of benefits. So you can start reading with books. Uh, if you want to start with the self-help books, then you can also start reading books with the fictional novel, or if you like romance, whatever genre you like, you can start with that. Later, you start reading books which are genuinely good. So there are so many books in the market, and just avoid reading audiobooks or avoid hearing audiobooks and uh, avoid soft copy. Always keep a hard copy with you. You should always keep a book with you. Whenever if you are traveling, you can read that book. Whenever you are idle, you can read that book instead of studying. So reading book is a good habit. And then creating content. So whatever you are doing, whatever thing, whatever study or whatever work you're doing, and you're reading. So whatever you learn from your life, you have to create a content on that. You can share your views about there are certain things. You can create content or so it will help people to learn from your mistakes and learn from so many things from you. Uh, Creating content is optional, but you can create it for yourself as well if you want to. It's not compulsory that you have to create it. It's up to you. If you want to create content, create. So do this five things to change your life completely. So these are the five things which helped me personally to change my life completely. This year, I started creating content. I started meditating on daily basis. I started journaling on daily basis. Then telling it to this guy, telling you guys, this has changed me completely. And I'm giving you 100% surety. Like I'm telling you guys, if you are doing this for a whole year, this will definitely going to change your life. First, it will change your mental health. It will help you to control your mind, and it will also help a lot of things. You can achieve things you really want to by doing all of these things. I used to I used to think that why I should do all of these things. I want to achieve this other things, but now after doing it for a year or I understand the importance, and you can try this only few days are remaining. You can start from today क्योंकि कल करे सो आज करे सो अब पल में प्रलय होएगी मोरी करेगा. It's a proverb in Sanskrit which means do it today instead of tomorrow. So please try to understand that it's never too late to do something. Like it's never too late to start a hobby, to start something you like. Start today and change your life completely. And I'm telling you, I give you a surety that this will going to change your life completely. And if you don't, rather than content creation, you can switch it with hobby which you like. Even you can switch it with making videos or whatever you want to. But do these things instead of scrolling. I have now in this world, Gen Zs are really very hooked with scrolling. Just think that your career is in your hands. You have to work on yourself. Don't depend on anybody else from your career. So try to understand that you have to be in. You have to be independent, and you have to be knowledgeable. Please do these all of these things to transform your life completely in 2025. I hope this year will be full of opportunities. So grab these opportunities and make your life what you want to be. I just hope you all will receive everything you want to. Also, if you want to know which books you should read, I will put the link of the video I have made regarding best book what you should read. So you can prefer that video. I have made that video. So you can prefer the books which I have talked about. I have read a lot of them, and that 5 books are genuinely good. So you can read those. So watch that video. Thank you.